Hi, I'm Paul, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about what's an enterprise architect, roles and responsibilities, general overview, and just really give you an idea of if you're a solution architect or a technical architect or a business architect, looking at what can you do with your career and how can you become an enterprise architect. So, what is an enterprise architect? Well, the role is very strategic. The role will work with the senior stakeholders, so maybe a C-suite relationship, also with a lot of the senior managers, operations, HR, finance, marketing, sales, data. You're really the conduit to all of these business partners, if you like. So the strategic alignment there is you must be pretty clear on what the business goals and objectives are for the business. So the reason being is one of your tasks would be to create a target operating model input, but also to have roadmaps for maybe your own domain if you're a data architect or you're a technical enterprise architect or if you're a enterprise business architect. Um, so the important part there is understanding where you play on the pitch. And that's sometimes a wide scope of a job. So if you're a lone enterprise architect in a company, you could be asked to fulfill all of those different four domains and then add a bit of security on top of that. Or you could be simply working in one of those domains for a large organisation that has the skills and resources to have multiple enterprise architects. So you would probably use the one of the architecture frameworks, SAFe, TOGAF, Zachman, MODAF, whatever one you want. But these are predominantly frameworks to pick and choose from. You don't really need to have a good solid knowledge for the whole lot, and you don't need to memorize it either. I know lots of people who are great enterprise architects, and they only pick and choose parts of particular frameworks. So what are the other tasks? So you also have responsibility to produce roadmaps. So that could be quarterly and annual roadmaps and an input into the target operating model to show where the business can grow over the years. So you'll also play a good part in governing the actual change across the estate. And I don't mean so much like a change board, that's more implementation of changes and timing, logistics, all that type of thing. It's more around governance, meeting the standards, principles, patterns, designs, policies, guardrails, all those good things that are all part of an enterprise architecture department's responsibilities. Um, and you'll have things like collaboration a lot of the stakeholders as well. So, either at the enterprise design forums or technical design forums, or actually within some show and tells, or just basic communication with the teams across the estate. So you could be involved with agile project program managers, or you could be with waterfall waterfall non-agile platform and delivery. So you'll find that you'll maybe look at emerging technologies, you'll be looking at innovation, you'll also be looking at data architecture being a core part of the business, you'll be looking at application management, APM, or data strategies, whatever the business wants to do with its data being a hugely valuable asset. And a business architect would most likely be managing the business capabilities, and the technical architect would be managing the technical capabilities from an enterprise perspective. So they probably govern the technical taxonomies and the business taxonomies and manage and run and working with all of the TAs, the technical architects, the solution architects, business analysts, product owners. So it's a very, very large communication platform. So one thing that would obviously be key critical is getting risk management also finely tuned. So things like legacy tech debt, getting that off the table when it's coming through governance, trying not to build any more tech debt, trying to get rid of that as part of programs and projects, and running things like risk mitigation through the governance platforms. I'll cover governance maybe more in detail in another video. If there's anything that has piqued your interest in the enterprise architecture role, please let me know. I can try and cover more things if you make comments, and I can cover off new videos. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share, and thanks very much.